To this introduction to music technology. And in this demo, I'm going to be using GarageBand, featuring on my Mac, to actually demonstrate how we can use loops to build a simple piece of music. So in GarageBand, we have a loop library up here on the right hand side. I'm currently just downloading more sounds as we speak. So this is what we call a DAW, a digital audio workstation, and all the instruments here and sounds I've got are purely electronic, purely sort of virtual, but they have been actually recorded, so they're real samples. So this is a piece of music I've put together so far, and it's just featuring the built-in audio samples and loops that are built into GarageBand, and many DAWs such as Logic Pro, Cubase, and other internet browser based such as BandLab and also Soundtrap also feature built-in loops like this, where you can create a piece of music and layer up the piece of music using these audio loops. So this is what I've created so far. I'm just going to guide you through how I've done this as well. Here we go.